Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I will introduce you to user-defined function. A user-defined function is a function that is created by a user or programmer to perform a specific task within a computer program. It allows users to define their own functions according to their requirements, which can then be called and executed as needed. If you have more than one function in one file, your main function's name should be main, and all other functions should be called in main. To define a user-defined function in Python, you typically follow these steps. Use the def keyword followed by the function name to declare the function. Inside parentheses, you can specify any parameters or input arguments that the function may accept. But remember, parameters are optional. Use a colon to indicate the start of the function's code block. Indent the code block to define the function's body. And last but not least, optionally include a return statement to specify the value that the function should return as its output. I will practically work out some examples in VS Code. At first, in my terminal window, as always, I will type this command code main.py. I will make a variable ask equals to input inside quotations where do you live. Now I will define a function using the def keyword and name it toUpper. Define toUpper inside parentheses prompt and then a colon. Notice that this function has one parameter by the name of prompt, but you can call it anything. Now let's make a new variable inside my function message underscore upper equals to prompt.upper. Now recall that every function has a return value. Return msg underscore upper. Now only thing that remains is to call my function and print it. I could directly print it using return, but I will show you the more convenient way. Print toUpper ask. Now if I run it in terminal window, python main.py, it prompts me for the location that I am currently living in. I would type Egypt for instance. Now you can see it outputs Egypt but converts it to uppercase. Let me show you how you should treat two user-defined functions. At first, make sure to call one of your functions main because it is common in programming that main is the function that calls other functions. Define or def main. Now I will prompt the user msg equals to input how are you. Now down after the main function, I will make a new function called formatter that takes one parameter, def formatter inside parentheses message. Now inside this function, I will convert anything that is passed to this function to uppercase and format it with an exclamation mark. New message equals to f-string inside quotations and inside curly braces message.upper, then outside curly braces an exclamation mark. You can see I used f-string and I formatted the string with .upper function and an exclamation mark. Now I will return new message. Return new message. Now up top inside my main function, I will call the formatter function print formatter msg. Now the only thing that remains is to call the main function. Remember that the main function should be called after entire code. Now down in my code, main and open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now if I run it, I will type good all in lowercase. You can see it outputs good all uppercase with an exclamation mark at the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something new. Practice some examples with the building blocks that I taught you in previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time.